Identify the adjectives in this sentence. Write whether they are adjective of quantity, adjective of number or ordinal adjectives. Okay, it means हमको यहाँ पर फाइंड करना है जो भी ये सेंटेंस दिए गए हैं, ये एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी है कि एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर है कि ऑर्डिनल एडजेक्टिव है. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट वन इज अली बाबा एंड 40 थीव्स इज एन अरेबियन फेयरी टेल. सो it is a adjective of number because Ali Baba and 40 thieves. Okay, 40. So we will write here N. Is there any milk in the glass? It means any मतलब क्वांटिटी बताई गई, मिल्क की क्वांटिटी बताई गई है. सो इट इज एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी. That is not N, that is Q. My daughter is to first in the class. So फर्स्ट दिया गया है यहाँ पे. सो फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ जो भी ये होते हैं वर्ड, ये ऑर्डिनल एडजेक्टिव होते हैं. ओके, सो यहाँ पर आ जाएगा O. There are 23 candles on the cake. ओके, सो यहाँ पे नंबर दिया गया. सो वी विल राइट हियर N. द वेटर ड्रॉप द ट्रे एक्सीडेंटली एंड ब्रोक 2 glasses एंड सम प्लेट्स. सम प्लेट्स इट मीन्स यहाँ पे क्वांटिटी बताई गई. सो वी विल राइट हियर Q. इट मीन्स क्वांटिटी. आई हैव नॉट गॉट मच वर्क टू डू. मच इट मीन्स क्वांटिटी बताई गई, कितना, मच वर्क. सो वी राइट हियर Q. दिस इज द 10th time she has dumped me. Okay, so we will tell you that first, second, third, fourth, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, it's all are ordinal adjectives. So we will write here O. She came second in the really. Okay, first, second, it means ordinal adjective. Now we will see number C. Fill in the blanks with suitable demonstrative adjectives. Okay, you have already know that what is demonstrative adjectives. That indicate the noun like this, that, these, those. Okay, so dash boy near the gate always comes late to स्कूल. इट मीन्स जो वो लड़का खड़ा है गेट के पास, इट मीन्स जो बॉय है वो दूर है. ओके, तो वन बॉय है. सो हम लोग यहाँ पे किसका यूज़ करेंगे, दैट का, बिकॉज यू ऑलरेडी नो दैट व्हेन वी यूज दिस इज समथिंग, द थिंग इज नियर टू मी. व्हेन वी यूज दैट इट मीन्स वन थिंग इज फार अवे फ्रॉम अस. इट मीन्स कोई एक चीज़ अगर हम मेरे से पास है तो दिस यूज़ करेंगे, और एक चीज़ दूर है तो दैट का यूज़ करेंगे. और व्हेन द थिंग दैट इज़ टू मच, इट मीन्स अगर कोई भी चीज़ एक से ज़्यादा है और वो मेरे नज़दीक है, सो वी विल यूज़ दीज, अदरवाइज वी विल यूज़ दोज. सो डैश थीव्स वर कॉट बाय द पुलिस. ओके, इट मीन्स थीव्स प्लूरल है, मतलब एक से ज़्यादा है, तो हम लोग दिस, दोज, ये तो कंफर्म है. बट क्या ये नियर है कि फॉर है? फॉर है तो वी विल यूज दोज. आई डोंट डैश समोसाज, दैट इज दीज, बिकॉज समोसा एक से ज़्यादा है. dash mangoes. Okay, so these, because it is plural, these mangoes are rotten. Here we will write those. Those mangoes on the corner shelf are fresh. Number 5. Why is this gardener? One gardener है ना, one thing. So we will use this. Number 6. Who are dash people? People it means the thing is greater than one, मतलब एक से ज़्यादा चीज़ बताई गई. So we will use here those. Can I borrow this book? Book one है ना, so we will use here this. Dash flowers are my favorite. Flower plural है ना, so we will use these. Now we will see number D. Fill in the blanks with suitable interrogative adjective. So हम लोग यहाँ पे interrogative adjective का यूज करेंगे. Car did you buy? Which car did you buy? Of these birds do you like? Which of these? Book is that? Whose book is that? किसकी बुक है? Excuse did you make for not going to the English class? So we will write here what excuse. Fifth, dash car was involved in the accident. It means whose, किसकी कार थी जो एक्सीडेंट में इन्वॉल्व थी. Dash novel are you reading nowadays? कौन सी नॉवल आप कल पढ़ रहे हैं? Dash clothes do you wish to buy? So we will use here which. Shoes are these? किसके शूज हैं ये? So we will use here CDs. Someone listening to which CD? Vitamins should be taken every day. Which? Fill in the blanks with suitable possessive adjective. Okay. So यहाँ पे possessive adjective यहाँ पे write करना है. So first sentence है dash grandparents live very close to dash house. It means my. So we will write here my grandparents live very close to our house. Number 2, we were late for our science institution. Number 3, we lost dash way in the busy market place. So we lost our way. अपना रास्ता भूल गए हैं in the busy market. Dash suitcase is not properly locked. Which suitcase? Your suitcase. 5 number, the kitten chased dash tail. That is hitch. 2 students did not do dash English homework. It means do not do there. उन्होंने अपना होमवर्क नहीं किया. I like dash singing. Please sing a song for me. I like your singing. मुझे जो आपकी सिंगिंग है वो पसंद है. प्लीज सिंग ए सॉन्ग फॉर मी. कृपया मेरे लिए गाना गा दीजिए. मैरी लाइक्स डैश ग्रैंडमदर. शी ऑफन visits her. So Mary likes my grandmother. Okay. So So now we will see the number F. Choose whether each sentence requires a possessive adjectives or a possessive pronoun. Okay. So always remember that possessive adjective के बाद हमेशा noun का यूज होता है. Okay. We will use possessive adjective before the noun. It's must remember, student. So the first one is she is not his friend. She is mine. So we will write here mine. Okay. Second, James did not drink his own coffee. He drank. So we will use her because here is not any noun. So we use here hers. That is possessive pronoun. Did dash mother. Mother is noun. So we will use possessive adjective before a noun. That is mother. So we will use here your. I do not know dash very well. I do not know there. I don't expect daughter. Daughter, it is noun. Okay, that is noun. So we will use there. I talked to dash grandmother for 3 hours last night. Grandmother, that is noun. So we will use possessive adjective before a noun. That is grandmother. So we'll write here my. That is possessive adjective. Number 7. I think I got my notes mixed up with yours. Here we use yours because it is possessive pronoun. She is one of friends. That is noun. So we will use here her. That is possessive adjective. His neighborhood is safe. While dash neighborhood, we will use here my. Dash husband and I want to go to Paris. So we will write here my husband. Okay. I think that you all are understand the exercise of this. Okay. So revise all the exercise and revise the rule that I told you and learn the kind of adjectives. Okay. Then you will have to do all the exercise. Okay. So goodbye.